You're ready? Just listen to him.
Similar situation, I'm killing your pussy cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm billion dollar bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from, at, homie.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? What it do? Welcome back to my channel. This is Panalo TV. If today's your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and then share my video as well. Man, how y'all doing? It's been a while, I know, man. Everything been cool. I know y'all doing good. So today, coming your way with another reaction video, and today we have Scru Face Jean and then Illy Mode. They call this one Righteous and Ratchet. There's the official music video. I will leave a link to this video in the description box so you guys can check that out. But yeah, without much ado, let's go straight to this shit. Illy Mode.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the. Hello?
Hey, what up, guy?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's time to get righteous and ratchet. Okay.
It's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
Righteous and ratchet. How those two words go together though? Like, I mean, I don't know.
For holy land. Understand you can die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like only fam. You fucked off to the short of cannon, righteous in the broken land. All of that shit, all of that chat.
Man, they just didn't begin with them drill shit, you know? They go for his rap here and then they just kicked in with that drill shit. Like, I don't know, that's kind of crazy. That instrumental is crazy, bro. I just want to repeat that.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Understand you can die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like only fam. You fucked off to the short of cannon, righteous in the broken land. All of that shit, all of that chat. We give it right to rest. Bitch be talking, bitch be capping. We give it right to rest.
Okay.
We give it right to rest. I came from the bottom with people on the stone. We give it right to rest. So what the fuck you call that? Then y'all can't look at top hats. Fucking nigga want all that, you niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it up.
I don't know who him trade them shots at, but here talking about like you only gets all whack and shit. I don't know who he talking to, but yeah.
All back, don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes, I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with it. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing your pussy cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm billion dollar bitches.
Hey, what's wrong with Isabel, man? Damn, he be doing damn too much these days. Just shit. His rap sick, bro. Or the way he rap is sick. Just listen to him. You're ready? Just listen to him.
Similar situation, I'm killing your pussy cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm billion dollar bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from, at, homie. Send me at
Man, I mean, I don't know. Today I was looking to react to Illy Mode, then this one came up, and I mean, this is my first time listening to it, but now he talking about the screw face on my stack, and your home. No, he said,
who fucking tested dollar on the rigger? We go run the extra driving in the sprinter with the SMS signing with the living like a homie's rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt.
yeah, I guess want to make his feet hit. He's stepping twice and his feet hit. No, y'all just. I just want to take it back a little bit because that Easy Meal dude, I just be like that and just looking at him like, bro, do your thing because
Fucking that's a dollar or the rigger. We go run the extra driving in the sprinter with the SMS signing with the living like a homies rest in peace. T-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quick shit.
Out of that chain, we can be right to the ratchet. See, bitch be talking, but bitch be capping. We can be right to the ratchet. Hey, we can be right to the ratchet. I come from the bottom of people are starving. We can be right to the ratchet. Hey,
Shit, this stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup, the fiend can sip, but the A, but the
wait, what is he saying? I'm trying to get what he's saying. I'll be finding it real hard to get him because dude be spitting up like he be spitting up them like them Hellcat and shit because man.
we can be right to the ratchet. Hey, we can be right to the ratchet. I come from the bottom of people are starving. We can be right to the ratchet. Hey,
Shit, this stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup, the fiend can sip, but the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping. I'm down for a bullet of soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know.
I ain't hear shit talking about he him tripping and falling. I don't know.
Y'all getting pulled up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she beg for the pole.
so ready and go, and said it before. They snakes of Medusa is set in stone. Now there's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house, and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick 'em with a semi, they pros. Like a monster, here, lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to
Okay, I like that dance right there. I like. Man, I mean, let me make a little comments right here, yo. I like the energy with Scru Face and Easy Meal. Like they both got the energy in the video. The energy is like out of this world. It's crazy, man. I'm feeling their energy, and I feel like it's the kick or that drill instrumentals in the background that's giving them that energy. Yeah. So I mean, it's cool. I was trying to get what Easy Meal was. I mean, rapping about and all of that, but I couldn't. I couldn't get all of it. So I mean, I know he be throwing them and shit like that. You feel me? But I like the instrumentals for real, and I like the energy in this video. So I mean, that's a cool shit. So let's go.
It's going that stomp on our heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells that they blanco. We launching Boeings to set up tu casa. So get to home and then set up your store.
all that chat. We can be right to the ratchet. Bitch be talking, but bitch be capping. We can be right to the ratchet.
Ratchet.
We can be right to the ratchet. I came from the bottom with people are starving. We can be right to the ratchet.
Hey. Yep, that was Scru Face Jean and then Easy Meal, and they call this one Ratchet and Ratchet. I will leave a link to this video in the description box so you guys can check that out. But yeah, big ups to Scru Face and Easy Meal. That was cool. That wasn't a lot. That was like just 3 minutes and a few seconds, but I feel like it was dope. You feel me? The instrumentals was kind of like it got a kick to it. You feel me? But yeah, thanks to you guys. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks to you guys. Now the family just hit 1K subscribers. I really appreciate that. Thanks to you guys. We made it together. I couldn't do that by myself, man. Y'all know that. But yeah, keep subscribing, keep liking, and then let me know what video y'all want me to react to in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about this specific video right here. And you guys should stay safe. I will see y'all in the next video.